Philips air fryer. Cook healthy and delicious meals with less fat. The Philips air fryer is a popular kitchen appliance that allows you to cook healthy and delicious meals with less fat. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air around the food, cooking it evenly and quickly. This results in crispy, golden brown food with up to 90% less fat than traditional frying. The Philips air fryer is easy to use. Simply place your food in the basket, select a preset, and set the timer. The air fryer does the rest. It also has a keep warm function, so you can enjoy your food at the perfect temperature. The Philips air fryer is versatile and can be used to cook a variety of foods, including fries, chicken, fish, vegetables, and even desserts. It is also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Here are some of the benefits of using a Philips air fryer. Cook healthier meals with less fat. The Philips air fryer uses up to 90% less fat than traditional frying. This is a great option for people who are looking to reduce their fat intake or who have health conditions such as high cholesterol or heart disease. Enjoy crispy, golden brown food. The rapid air technology in the Philips air fryer circulates hot air around the food, cooking it evenly and quickly. This results in crispy, golden brown food without the added fat and calories of traditional frying. Versatile and easy to use, the Philips air fryer can be used to cook a variety of foods, including fries, chicken, fish, vegetables, and even desserts. It is also easy to use and clean. If you are looking for a healthy and convenient way to cook delicious meals, the Philips air fryer is a great option. It is versatile, easy to use, and produces delicious results with less fat. Here are some tips for using a Philips air fryer. Preheat the air fryer for 3 to 5 minutes before cooking. Cut food into even pieces for even cooking. Do not overcrowd the basket. Add a tablespoon of oil to the basket for crispier results. Shake the basket halfway through cooking for even results. Cook food until it reaches the desired doneness. Enjoy your healthy and delicious meals cooked in your Philips air fryer.